to see if I can get a long exposure shot of this green bus that's about to head this way.
You have a YouTube channel?
I do.
What's it called? I'll watch it tonight.
Yeah, what's your name?
Colin.
Colin. I'm Drew. Good to meet you, mate.
What's your YouTube channel called?
Drew Hopes.
Type it in on my phone.
All right, you bet, man.
Can I get a picture?
Yeah, of course, man. Cheers, man.
I'm recording right now.
Yeah. Yeah? Can I get a picture of you? Okay, tell you what. Why don't you aim at me this way so we can get some distance? Yeah, just like that.
See? Yo!
I'll put it in my video, man.
Will you?
Yeah.
Actually,
is that
when
cool?
is the next video going out?
Yeah.
When is it next going out?
So I just got here. I'm from Canada.
Yeah.
It'll be up in like 3 weeks. Sound good? You don't remember?
3 weeks.
3 weeks, Colin. Good to meet you. Later. Hey, really quick pause here. The photos coming up right now are from my second day in Leeds. I did not have my POV camera strapped up, so we're just gonna kind of go rapid fire through these. This video is obviously an entirely different lane from what's normally on this channel, but I really enjoyed making this video and I hope you're digging it. If you are, do me a favor, hit the like button, maybe leave me a comment. I do reply to everybody. And I have some more of these on the way from some other really cool cities that I hit on the same trip. So consider subscribing and I appreciate you watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
you.